This threatens the person's unique value or what he or she believes to be a unique value. The worst thing for a partner who believes he or she may be replaceable is to discover that their qualities are replicable. So that means it goes back into that similarities column, the way men think about their pursuit of partners, and then their pursuit of partners who they will convert to long term. If you are no different than anybody else, okay, then I'll just date, people like you. But there has to be a difference for me to consider marrying you. And that's what they like to think. Pay attention to men. Pay attention to how they think and how they say this. In terms of referring to a woman, it is always this language: she is different from the rest. I can't think about what women would say because I really haven't found my difference yet. The guy that I exited the relationship with, he was an amalgam of different relationships, romantic, friendship, family relationships that I struggled with. So I haven't really come across my difference yet, but I believe I would know it when I see it. This moves them into making themselves more indispensable, and they attempt to carve out a greater niche for themselves in the relationship.